Dear students, I am Venkatesh Murthy, lecturer in English in SLPU College. See, you have already spent more days after your exam and before your exam, and you enjoyed well in your houses, students. You spent much more days, means many days, and you have forgotten the skills, what to do and what not to do. See, the first class, it's English. To begin with, I want to wish you good luck for your first PU admission to our college. We heartily invite you students to score more than SSLC and be obedient to our college and be confident and skillful and evergreen in your all subjects. Wish you all the best. Okay, students, come to English course. The first step is bridge course. What is bridge course? See what you have learned in SSLC and what will you start with in first PU. This is a bridge between SSLC and to first PU. Okay. It is a bridge because in holidays, in your vacations, you have spent many days indulging in your mobiles, in WhatsApp, Google, games, YouTubes, chatting, etc. And I think you are well and healthy in this COVID-19. See, this COVID-19 will not come to stop. It doesn't stop. This virus slowly declines gradually. Okay? This coronavirus, it is slowly vanishing. So, we never care for it. We should always use masks, use sanitizers, and be gap at least 2 meters between you and your friends and anyone else. If we keep up all such rules, all such, what we can say, this understanding, the gap between one person to another person, it helps us and we should be healthy. So, it is good thing. So, students, you don't care about coronavirus. If we fear, this virus will surely send us to the corner. So, we never care for it. Okay? We should have confidence. We should have braveness. We should have good mind to learn all such things. Okay? In between this coronavirus, it is the basic thing to learn. Your future course. Whatever the courses it may be. You may be PCMB or PCMCS or EBACS, means commerce. See students, it is my first advice to all of you, be obedient. to all lecturers. Be confident to your soul, to your mind, and to your heart. And follow the good friends. And learn good things. And always indulge in reading, writing. Reading, writing. Because what you have spent in SSLC, it's not important. And the marks card of SSLC is unimportant. But what you learn in PU, what you learn in second PU, it's very, very important. It is challenging year to all of you. Because what you learn in the beginning, it continues. Okay? It's very, very important. The first step, when you enter into the college, you will adjust to our college atmosphere first. Actually, in the beginning, you may fear because so it looks strange and new one. So you may fear when you enter into the campus, but you don't worry. See, we are all for your support. We are all supporting you step by step. Okay? ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. We, all the lecturers, okay, help you more and more in our subjects. You don't worry. So, initially, when you start with the opening classes, you should have determination. Okay? You never have any fear to learn good things. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ ಯಾಕೆ? ಭಯವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? ಭಯವನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸಬೇಕು. So, we can start, we can achieve something at least if we kick out our fear. So, this is what the bravery in your mind. So, students, I have already told you, when you enter into our campus, you go and see all classes, classrooms, lab, and library, office, computer section. See, really, you are fortunate. Really, you are lucky to learn in such a reputed college in Usturga. Because well accommodation, good furniture, and excellent faculty of teaching and non-teaching. All of us will help you 2 years for your education. In library, in computer science, in PCMB, in EBACS, economics, accountancy, business studies, and computer science, physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. See, what you have learned in SSLC, it is few things. Okay? It is what? Less. And your brain, your medulla should have awakened broadly to learn more things in PU level. Here you learn 6 subjects. Okay? You learn 6 subjects. 4 optionals and 2 languages. There are options in languages. There are choice. You may take English as second language, and you may take Kannada or Hindi first language, there is choice to learn languages here. But most of you would like to take Kannada and English for language classes, for language. And see students, discipline is very important. Whatever you learn, because if you learn more and more, it is to your mind. If you learn discipline, it is culture. Discipline is the first step than other subjects, than other things. Good discipline, goodness, respect. It's very important. Whenever you attend to our college, when you come to our campus, first keep up in your mind to be obedient, to be confident, to be sharp, to be accurate, to be active. These things help you to shine well in our college. Not only learning 6 subjects, students, there are other things: sports, singing, dances, debate competitions. Okay? All such things also enhance your mind, shine your mind with education, with the studying subjects. These things help you. See, arts, drawing, okay, sketches, singing, dancing, monologues, all these also curricular activities. These curricular activities will also enhance your mind, will also shine you well. So, this is the best thing to learn in our college. It is the best thing. See, if you come out of fear, I want to say, if you come out of fear, if you take courage, then all things look fresh, all things look lovely, all things look beauty. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ನಾವು ನೋಡುವ ನೋಟವೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗುವಾಗಲೇ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದ್ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು, ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸದ್ಗುಣಗಳು, ಇವನ್ನ ರೂಢಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒರಟುತನ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ. ರಿಜಿಡಿಟಿ, harsh behavior, stone-hearted, these are not important. These are not good. Not important? No, not good. To be a good student, to be a challenging student, to be a shining student in our college. See, what you learn in the beginning, it remains up to output. When you come in, up to output, these can help you. Remember, I want to say, to learn all such good things everywhere, every time. To respect lecturers, to respect seniors, to respect your parents, to respect your elders, your seniors. See, it's very important. Harsh manners, rigid character, blaming, using rustic words, they crush you down. Students, they crush you down. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತುಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಬೆಳಗುವ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. A light, wherever you may be. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಿರೋ ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಬೇಕು ನೀವು. to be a light, to a light, wherever you might be. ಇರೋ ಜಾಗನ ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ದು ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಕಾಲಿಡೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಲುವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಕಾಲಿಡೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು ಅನಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ implant you such good things. More than that, we implant such good seeds in your mind. See, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಈ ಸದ್ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನದಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಸುವವರೇ ಗುರು, ಟೀಚರ್, ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್. ಸಿ, ಇವುಗಳು ಇದ್ರೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓದಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್. ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ 100 to 100 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್, 99 to 100, 98 to 100 ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಗಳಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್, ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, good culture, good manners. These will surely shine you your future. Shine your future. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the first advice from me. Okay. Come to first PU. Once again, students, happily I invite you, we invite you, we all the subordinates invite you to our college. Dear students, kind-hearted students, disciplined students, smiling students, shining students, it is the welcome to you to our college. Okay, come to subject next. I have already told you lecturer in English and I have 20 years of experience. You don't worry about English because in SSLC what you have learned, more than that you learn here. Don't worry about any subjects, not only in English. Our all faculty are experienced, well experienced. So you don't worry. Okay? Be happy to learn PCMB, PCMCS, EBSCS in our college. Come to topic bridge course. Okay? See, I have already told you this bridge course will help you what you have forgotten in SSLC. How you have spent holidays there, and this will surely bridge by implanting good seeds in your mind from very beginning and initial days. See, in your SSLC, you have 6 months of holidays. Actually, your exam had to finish in the month of March or in the beginning days of April. But from this COVID-19, your exam started in the month of August. And excellently you have attended and scored well, 90 above, 98, 99% out of out. See, it is your skill. It is your skill, it is your knowledge, it is your genius. Whatever the percentage you have. See, but in first PU, what you get, it's very, very important. I want to say, you have a dream. See, you have a dream. You have a lot of things in your mind. What I will be. How can I? How I read? How shall I start my journey? And how broad is future? And how it gives way. See, all such dreams you have in your mind. All dreams will surely come to success if you work hard. See, ಸತತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ, ಇದು ಎಂದೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿನ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರಿಗೆ ತಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. It surely brings you to the good ways, to the good, vast, unending ways. ಕೊನೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇದು ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ತಗೊಂಡೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ in these 6 months you spent in front of TV, indulged in your mobiles, but come out of it. Come to online classes. To begin with, take notes, take points, have a notebook in your hand and go on writing, memorizing, feeding, implanting. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ about competitive exams in SSLC. But in first PU, I have already told you, you have a dream. So, with your 6 subjects, you are going to learn IIT, JEE, NEET, see, CET. See, you have to learn these competitive exams aside, besides. See, ಕಲಿಯಲೇಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕಲಿಕೆಗೆ ಕೊನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ SSLC you have learned only subjects. There was no competitive exams. But in the first step of first PU, your journey starts with these 6 subjects, these competitive exams also. They help you to fresh seat, okay, to government seats, to be a best engineer, well doctor and accurate CAs, bank manager and good accountants, good cashier, good class 1 officers. There are many sectors, many ways after your second P. So, in the initial days, in the first step, you learn with these subjects also. So, we have excellent teaching faculty in your college. And more than that, we get the more experienced for JEE, for CET, for NEET, from Shumaga, Davangere, Mangalore, Bangalore. See, well experienced lecturers will come to our college weekly once to teach about JEE, NEET, CET, etc. To all subjects, English is the base. See, this is the base. This subjects in PU. Without English, without the knowledge of English, you can't learn such other subjects. So, this is the basement to many pillars. If the basement is good, pillars will surely stable, will surely strong. So, learn English. It is my advice in the beginning days. Get grammar books. Purchase any competitive books and many these spoken English books, and there are number of classes in Google and YouTube and also regular classes. You don't tie up your, what you can say, the stupid mind. See, you let it come out of this stupid brain to enhancing brain. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂದ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸಾಗೋದು. Lead kindly light. Where should our journey? Lead kindly light. ಬೆಳಕಿನೆಡೆಗೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಜನೆಯೆಡೆಗೆ, ವಿದ್ಯದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜರ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So, these things also help you to get higher posts with PCMB and EB, ACS. See, these competitions and these CETs help you to get admission in excellent colleges, in excellent institutions, and you should have good mind to compete in debates in our college. See, there are many debates, debate classes, and also essay writing, state level, district level, taluk level. In this way, there are essay writing in English, singing competition. See, we bring you to district for district level competition. For taluk level, we always support you, and also lecturing. So we invite you on platform to give a topic, or we give a subject to teach about, to give lecture about specific subject or specific point. These things. And also drawing. There is a drawing competition. See, our student last year, see, he competed to this drawing competition, and also he went for state level. See, and succeeded. Next thing, quiz competition. This quizzes also help you to learn more things. So whatever the subject it will be, you should also participate in quiz competition. See students, the two categories of SSLC students come to our college. One is state syllabus and another one is CBSE students. But in PU, both are same to us. There are category in SSLC, but here we support all, we teach all, in English to English more than Kannada. So this bridge between state level and CBSE, it vanishes in PU level. We consider all students are equal. We teach you well here. And third point is the basic knowledge. The basic knowledge. You learned only basic English grammar in SSLC. Most of the students. Only some students can speak well. They can speak fluently. But most of the students fear to speak in English in SSLC. But in PU, I advise you to learn to speak in English. Because in the beginning days, your journey should start with speak and communicate in English with your friends when you come to our college. Wherever you go, in the campus, see, when you meet one another, when you sit in the classroom, in the absence of lecturers, you discuss in English. You discuss in English with your friends. It will surely help you to learn English, to speak English well. If you don't speak, if you don't try to speak in English, surely you don't learn English. So, it is the best way to speak in English from the initial days in our college. See, ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ಅದು ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. There are two types of English, spoken English and broken English. If you speak fluently, if you speak grammatically, it is a spoken English. If you speak without grammar, the problem of verbs, the problem of objects, so this is what? Broken English. So, we implant you the excellent English here in our college with the subject course. With the subject, we bring you up with excellent fluent English, basic English, spoken English, communicating English. See, without you come out of our college, we like to learn English excellently. It is our assurance, it's our guarantee to you in our college. See, if you come to subject, there are two books. See, the first one is Reflections English Textbook. This is textbook. And the next one is Grammar Book. See, this is Grammar Book. And there is the best way to learn grammar in this book. This is called articulation. The name of grammar book is articulation. Students, I advise you to purchase the first book and also the next book. Don't forget. ಈ ಎರಡು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ, that is secondary. But to purchase these two books, see, for first PU. Okay? First PU ಗೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. As early as possible, because we start a subject. We don't waste time. If we wait for time to, what you can say, crush Corona, it doesn't go fast. Slowly it goes. So our journey should also go with. ಸಾಕ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಷ್ಟದ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. There is difficulty. There is problems. Many problems in your house. But with this, our journey should go on. Should continue. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಪಯಣವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಬಿಡಬಾರದು. ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಕಲಿಕೆಯೇ, ಕಲಿಯೋದ್ರಿಂದಲೇ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದೂ ಆಗೋದು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗು, ಮೊದಲು ಮಾನವನಾಗು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಬೇಕು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗು, ನೀ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗು, ನೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗು, ನೀ ಒಬ್ಬ CA ಆಗು, ನೀ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗು, ಮೊದಲು ಮಾನವನಾಗು. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ? ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ, ಥ್ರೂ ಗುಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ, ಸುಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸುಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯಬೇಕು ನಾನು, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ. ಇಂಥ ಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. Okay, see, you have learned grammar in SSLC simply, okay, but here you learn more and more. You have learned subject, verb, object, totally sentences, parts of speech. You learned the parts of speech: noun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. See. Next, figures of speech: simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole. There are many figures of speech also in English. And the sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. Okay? And questions, WH questions, yes or no questions. And also imperatives, means without subject, exclamatories with exclamation mark. See, verbs, verbal phrases, adverbial phrases, nominal phrases. See, comparing to SSLC, here one step your knowledge enhances, vasts. ಒಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I know you are good students. You are well in English. You speak well. You communicate well. But you learn more. Learn more and more. Learn standard English. Excellent English. Okay? See. And here, grammar is most effective to improve communication. What is grammar? Grammar is most effective to learn communication. See, to improve communication. Communication ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ. Without grammar we speak, but in English, through grammar, through basic grammar, we have to learn. Because most of you are from Kannada medium. But don't worry, don't fear, don't hesitate. Fear ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಡಿ. ಕಲಿತಾ ಕಲಿತಾ ವಿದ್ಯೆ, ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ರಾಗ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕಲಿತಾ ಕಲಿತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸು, ನಂದು 60% ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನಂದು 75 ಇದೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು. ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್, ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಹೊರಬರಿ, ಆ ಮೆಡುಲಾದಿಂದ ಹೊರಬರಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷನ್ನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಸ್ಪಟಾಕಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬುನಾದಿ. ಇದು ಈ ಬುನಾದಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು PU ಕಲೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲೇಪನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಲೇಪನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಯವಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಲೇಪನ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಶಿನ ಆ ಒಂದು ರುಚಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಲೇಪನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸುಜ್ಞಾನ. ಅದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಶಿಯಾಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್, ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು. ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಈಸಿ, ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ನನ್ನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯನ ರೂಢಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಮಾರ್ಗವಾಗಿಯೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಮರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್. ಸೊ it is very important. What? Grammar. Grammar is very important. See, grammar ತಪ್ಪರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ER ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿರೋ ತಪ್ಪು. ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್? ಗ್ರಾಮರ್. ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಮರ್. ಸಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಮರ್. ಸಿ, ಈ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಎನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಾಷೆ ಕಲೀಲಿ, ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಬಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟೇ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಧಿ, ಸಮಾಸ, ತತ್ಸಮ, ತದ್ಭವ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದೇ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ತಪ್ಪು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಇನ್ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮರಾಠಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಪಕ್ಕದ ಆಂಧ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ, ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. Most of the students take English as a second language. I have already told you there is an option to take language. ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಿರೋ, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಬಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Whatever the competitive exams may conduct, they are in English or in Hindi. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. This is second language. Why it is difficult to state syllabus, students? Not to all, for some of you. It is to rural students. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಿದು ಕಷ್ಟ? ನಾವೇನು CBSE ಓದಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವ? ಇಲ್ಲ. When we were studying SSLC, when we were studying PU, we were also Kannada medium students. But in degree, I chose optional English. Through optional English, I learned more and more with literature. ಹಾಗೆ ಭಯನ ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ರೂರಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋರನ್ನೇ. ನೀವೇನು ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದೀರೋ ರೂರಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಾವು ಸಹ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆಲ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದವರೇ. ನಾವು ಸಹ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ನುವ ಕಾರ್ಮೋಡವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಕೈ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಸಹ ನಮಗಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೊಳ್ಳೆಯವರಾಗಬೇಕು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಸಖತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರು ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕು. ದುಡ್ಡು ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸಖತ್ತು ದುಡ್ಡು ಗಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲ್ಲ. ಸಖತ್ತು ದುಡ್ಡುಗಳು ಗಳಿಸಿದಷ್ಟು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಮಾರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ದುರ್ಮಾರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸಖತ್ತು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಜನಗಳ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಿಲೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಮೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಎಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಪ್ಪ ಇವನು, ಎಷ್ಟೊಳ್ಳೆಯವನಪ್ಪ ಇವನು, ಎಷ್ಟೊಳ್ಳೆಯವಳಪ್ಪ ಇವಳು, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜಾಣಿಯಪ್ಪ ಇವಳು, ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿಲಿ ಅಹಂಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಹುಡುಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ಡು, ಹಂಗನ್ನಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸುಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ. ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ವ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಗೆ language is very important. In this bridge class, I want to say how language is very important. To go step by step, especially the second language English is very important. From the beginning days, you go on learning subject, verb and object. What is the next thing? Subject plus verb plus object. Your English journey starts with subject, verb and object. See, in every sentence except imperatives, we see subject. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಾವೇನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತೃ, ಕರ್ಮ, ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತೀವೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ವರ್ಬ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ. ಅವನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಈಗ ಬಂದ, ಅವನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಬನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವನು ಬಂದ, ಅವನು ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದ. ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಬನ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ವರ್ಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಿಡಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಶಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ರೀಡ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಬ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ object. He wants good food. they invite their guests. I teach you English. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು. I teach you English. ಇವೆರಡೇನು indirect object and direct object. There are two objects. See, you play games. You attend competitive exams. Right? See, subject, verb and object. Okay? In this way, grammar continues. Students, once again, I welcome you to this first PU course. Thank you, one and all. Good luck.